In this video, I will show how to enable PHP ionCube module on a Hostinger shared hosting. After migrating a website to Hostinger shared hosting, I got the error, script error. The ionCube loader for the PHP needs to be installed. On Hostinger, you have the option to enable PHP module for ionCube loader. Log into Hostinger control panel. Go to the website dashboard. Scroll down. On the left menu, click on Advanced. From the submenu, click on PHP Configuration. Click on PHP Extensions tab. In this page, you will find all available PHP extensions. Find the ionCube loader. Click the checkbox on the left side to select the ionCube loader. Scroll down and click the Save button. Now the ionCube loader is enabled for the website. To verify, let's go back to the website and refresh. The website is working properly now. Thank you for watching. Hope you find the video useful. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this.